Hello from the Quails kingdom at Permaculture Heaven. So, after my last video about quails, I had some comments and some messages from people that were worried about the way how I'm keeping the quails without any space under roof, so without any proper shelter. And now is the perfect time for an update to show you how the quails are doing, because we had 91 millimeters over the last 2 days. The rain just stopped, and I want to show you how the quails are doing, and also some updates about the fruit trees here in the quails area. So now let's get into it, and if you liked the video, don't forget like and subscribe and leave a comment below what you think. And now let's get into it. So first of all, we cannot forget that quails are birds. So have you seen anyone building under roof shelters for birds outside in the wild? And quails are not different, guys. The most important is that they have some space at the higher ground, that they can that they are not sitting in water, and of course some shade when the sun comes out and it's hot. Yeah, and everything is here. Let's go over there. I will show you. The place where most quails were sitting was actually here. This is just a simple structure I made. This is from a tip shop, like a $1 or $2. So like a basket or something. But it can be anything. And here some colorbond on top, and the brick, so it stays in place in case we have a storm, big storm. And that's all. So most of them are sitting here and enjoying the shelter. Some other ones were sitting in the pots, or here in the logs. I have few of them, just simple logs, and they really loved it. So the other ones, I have a huge log here where they can hide. I'm always finding eggs in here as well, by the way. So yeah, they have plenty of spaces here. Some old plastic sets. These are places where they like to hide. And I placed them all. Everything what you see here was on the higher ground. So it sits on a higher ground, so they can really, yeah, they are really safe. This area here is a bit lower, and when we get lots of rain, sometimes there is some water here. It was the case during the yesterday, during like a huge rain, and some of the girls were sitting here at the top. I took them, wanted to like save them. And as soon as I put them into the shelter, what I just showed you over there, they went back to the place. So it looks like it was a favorite place of them. Just sitting basically on the timber and watching the rain. Some of them just wanted to stand in the rain and wait until it's over, taking nice shower. So yeah, the girls and boys did really enjoy the long rain after really dry season. It was like a few months without rain, without proper rain, and now you can just watch it turning green. Look at it, how they enjoy. Not sure if you noticed, they just jumped up to the grasses here to get the seeds. Do you like the seeds? Here, there you go. So yeah, they've got something to play with. Let's move on. Here, the fruit trees. So this is the black Brazilian cherry, moringa. Everything is doing pretty well. Look at it. There are two purples. They grew like crazy within this really short amount of time. So we are hoping for some purples very soon. Already flowers. So the quails will love it too. The yellow cherry guava. This is just few months, guys. Few months. The yellow cherry guava is loaded with fruit. By the way, I have the seeds. If you want to grow your own, when you give it a bit of love, 2 years, you will have fruit after 2 years from when you start the seed. I have to take care because it's very pretty heavy. So now I have to get a new stick and do it proper. And so yeah, oh here, this is the Indian white guava. Got already first fruit. I planted another one just a couple of weeks ago here from the pot, and look at it, already getting flowers. The cherry guavas, by the way, are fruiting all year round, so really worth it to have them. And birds, animals love them too. And I also planted more Brazilian spinach in the rings for these guys to enjoy. So here as well, but this will be another video. But if you don't have the plant yet, you really should get one. You can see how nicely they eat it all around. So this is the Brazilian spinach, and I have it in my shop as well at the moment. Also a few like ready to send. Otherwise you would need to wait a couple of weeks before I can send it to you. All doing well. Birds are happy. Everyone is happy at the moment because of the beautiful rain we just had. So the chickens are enjoying their free run today after the rain. guinea fowls at the back over there. Oh, and here another fruit tree growing beautifully. Who knows what it is? Let me know in the comments. Enjoying the company together with the poo here. But this will be a pretty good sized tree, growing very quick as well. So yeah, if you wanna have a guess what it is, let me know. Okay guys, take care. Wish you all the best with all your projects and see you soon. They really like to sit here on the timber all around.